Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you wiper blade, all-weather performance, clean and quiet. It is showing you the pressure over here in the middle is the highest, and also it shows all different types of adapters. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside. These are all the stuff we have in the box. These are the protective. We're just gonna take it out. Let's check the adapters. We have 4 adapters and these are going together. Let's go ahead and take the original one out. Let's take the original one out. How we're gonna take it out is we're just gonna press this area. You see, it's out. Let's do the same thing for the other one. Here is the left side. We're just gonna press it and take it out. The process is easy. Let's go ahead and put the new ones. Let's take the adapter. We're just gonna lift this area and then take it out. See, we're gonna put the adapter right there. The same thing over here, right there. See, we are done. Let's do the other one also. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out. Put the adapters. Make sure check the direction, especially the edges, same thing. And we're just gonna go ahead and put it right there. And now it's okay. These are the original ones and these are the old ones. Here are the new ones. Let's go ahead and install them. Don't forget to take this out. Let's go ahead and put this right there. Now the procedure is completed. This is very easy, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one right there. And here is the driver's side. I'm just gonna put it inside and wait for it to click. Now it's stable and strong. All right, let's go ahead and put it in a test. See, it is very clean. I can definitely suggest this product, and you can just throw away the old ones and continue with the new ones.